Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today, I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. US state regulator warns about crypto interest bearing accounts amid market downturn. The financial regulator of the U.S. state of Arizona has warned investors about crypto interest-bearing accounts. Some companies might materially overstate the degree to which their collateral practices protects their ability to pay investors the stated return. The regulator said. State regulator warns about crypto interest-bearing accounts. The Arizona Corporation Commission issued an investor alert this week, warning about digital financial services companies that offer interest-bearing crypto asset accounts. The regulator explained which crypto interest accounts customers lend crypto assets to the company and in exchanges receive interest paid in crypto assets. The Arizona Corporation Commission elaborated. However, due to the crypto market downturn highlighted by the recent bankruptcy, threat of Analsys network and Voyager detail, some companies are preventing account holders from withdrawing from and transferring between their accounts. The securities regulator continued investors that some crypto interest account providers may not have adequately disclosed the risks that customers face when they deposit crypto assets onto this platform a day. Some companies may materially overstate the degree to which their collateral practices protects their ability to pay investors the stated return. The Commission recently took action against BlackFi Lending LLC and found that certain crypto interest accounts were unregistered securities. The regulator revealed that it is investigating whether other crypto interest account providers are violating laws under its jurisdiction. The crypto lenders Celsius Network and Voyager Digital filed for bankruptcy protection. The Department of Financial Regulation of the U.S. state of Vermont said it believes Celsius is deeply insolvent and lacks the asset and liquidity to honor its obligation to account holders and other creditors. Voyager CEO Stephen Analsys explained why his company filed for bankruptcy. The project volatility and contagion in the crypto market over the past few months Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe yeah, just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.